How to use TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can use the TikTok Lite application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, basically if you want to actually use the TikTok Lite app, all you have to do is just open the TikTok Lite application on your phone. Once you launch a TikTok Lite app, in my case I'm already signed into my TikTok account, right? So you want to make sure to sign into your account as well. You have 5 different categories here: the home, the discover, the plus icon, the inbox, and the me. So let us get with the home section. At home section you'll be able to see videos of other people. Basically for you, if you only want to see the videos from people you follow, you can just go to the following tab over here, or only for the people, random people, then you can select for you and then you'll be able to watch videos as well. Now if you scroll down, then you have the discover page. On discover page you can simply search for a user, search for hashtag, search for trending videos, and so on. And if you want to tap on the plus icon, basically it is a place where you can simply post your own videos or photos, or you can just select multi-clip or whatever else you prefer. If you come to the inbox tab, is basically where you get all the notifications at the top, you can see, and you can also talk to and chat to people by tapping your DMs icon from the top right and then contacting a specific person. If I come back over here, let me show you what the other profile is. This is the me icon, which is your profile page, where you can use to edit your own profile. Over here you can see name, username, bio, or you can also upload videos and you'll be able to see your videos. If you tap the 3 dots icon from the top right, you'll be able to manage your account. You'll also be able to manage your privacy settings if you want to turn on private account and so on. 80% of the options are similar to the TikTok application, but of course it's limited, and you can just come back, you can clear the cache files, you can report a problem if you're having any issues, and so on. So hope this video helps you as to how you can use the TikTok Lite application. I hope I covered as much basic as possible in order to help you get started. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.